Ito, smile! Do you know the Sambung Panas? After 2 years of living in Virginia, we are finally closing this chapter and starting a new one in another state. Some of you may know that we also transferred our nursing licenses to California. Well, California was one of the states we initially considered, but at the moment, we felt that it was not yet the right time for us. We also did not have any job offers there. So instead of waiting, we decided to explore other states and see where the best opportunity would lead us. Honestly, one of the biggest reasons why we decided to move is because this state is closer to the Philippines and my direct flight then going home. When I brought my mom here and had to accompany her back to the Philippines, doon ko talaga na-realize kung gaano kahirap kapag may emergency at malayo ka sa family mo. I think kapag tumatanda ng parents natin, especially if they are already senior citizens, gusto talaga natin na mas mapalapit sa kanila as much as possible. My papa also had a stroke, kaya mas maging important sa amin na piliin ang lugar where traveling back home would be easier. Aside from that, this state has no state income tax, greener surroundings, and we also heard that it offers good opportunities for nurses with better benefits, unions, and a more nurse-friendly environment. Sabi nga nila, this state is a pro-nurse state, and that is also one of the reasons why we wanted to take this chance. We also want to settle down someday. EJ and I are hoping to buy our own house and hopefully build a family in the future. As we all know, buying a house in Virginia can be very expensive, so we are hoping that this state will give us more opportunities to reach those dreams. Everything happened so fast. It all started through word of mouth from our friends and former workmates in the UAE and the Philippines. At first, wala talaga kami masyadong idea about this state, but somehow, everything slowly fell into place, and now, we are finally here. We know that moving to a new state is a big risk, but habang bata pa kami, and we still have the chance to move, explore, and start again, we decided to just do it. Sometimes, taking risks can lead you to something better. We don't know exactly what will happen next, but we trust that God has a plan for us and that He will guide us wherever we go. So here it is. After 2 years in Virginia, we are officially moving to Washington State! It's dental time! But before we officially leave Virginia, of course, we wanted to spend some time with a few of our friends and have a little despedida before our flight. Medyo bittersweet and nakakalungkot because we were not able to see everyone, especially our new friends and the OGs from way back in Richmond, Virginia. But hopefully, as you watch this vlog and see some of our pictures and memories together, you will always remember how grateful and thankful we are to have met all of you. We feel so lucky and blessed to have friends and workmates who made our life here in Virginia easier, happier, and more meaningful. So thank you for all the laughter, support, food trips, bonding, and unforgettable memories. Some of the people you will see in these photos and clips are not only our workmates, but also became our family and friends away from home. We may not have the chance to say goodbye to everyone personally, but please know that we truly appreciate and love you all. This is not really goodbye. Hopefully, magkita-kita tayo ulit someday. So this is it. This is actually our last day here in Northern Virginia. And before heading to our next state, we're spending some time with our friends. As you can see, meron kaming bagong dating na colleague way back in the Abu Dhabi, and now mag-start na siya here in Northern Virginia, USA. And we welcomed him here at Regis and David House. And of course, welcome rin to Tito and Tita David's parents, who also recently arrived here in the USA. Sobrang saya if madala mo yung parents mo dito. Nakaka-proud. And later that evening also, Ate Princess hosted a special despedida dinner with my workmates. Our very own, the Lorton ED Pinoy Mafia. Hindi man kami kompleto pero na-appreciate ko yun. Thank you, Ate Princess and family. We are truly grateful to have met all of them. They were not only our workmates and friends, but they also became our family away from home. Thank you for making our life in Virginia easier, happier, and full of unforgettable memories. Bye, hello! David, thank you, Tito! Thank you po! So, every time that we go to Delta, laging may free space for our hand carry to be check-in. So, ngayon, total of 6 bags yung i-check-in namin and iba bag drop. Para si Sunshine na lang yung dala-dala namin and yung aming backpack. Let's go! Check on the bag drop. We're flying with Delta again and of course, kasama namin si Sunshine. For those traveling with pet, make sure to call the airline and reserve your pet spot in advance para sure na may available slot. Limited lang kasi ang number of pets allowed inside the cabin per flight. For this trip, Delta charged us $150 for Sunshine. Make sure alam ninyo ang exact weight ng pet ninyo in pounds and that you have the correct size of carrier bag that will fit under the seat. Medyo strict sila when it comes to the size of the pet carrier, so it's better to check the requirements before your flight. We were not asked to present any pet documents during check-in, but for your pet's health and safety, make sure updated pa rin ang vaccines and dala ninyo ang necessary records just in case. Since we always arrive early at the airport, we usually use our lounge access through Amex. At least, habang naghihintay ng flight, makakapag-relax and makakain muna kami para busog before boarding and ready now for another long travel day. Before our flight, we also bought a few goodies for Beshi Cake Nona, Al, and Beshi Cake Crystal as a small token of appreciation. Honestly, if it weren't for them, we probably wouldn't be here moving to Washington State. Kaya sobrang thankful talaga kami for all their help and support. Pero ayun, at this time, may thunderstorm sa Washington DC. So, some flights were already cancelled and ours was delayed. Medyo kinakabahan na kami because we had Sunshine with us and we just wanted to get to our destination safely. Sana delay lang and hindi ma-cancel. And please, Lord, Washington, here we come. Ayan na, boarding na, let's go! Our flight from Virginia to Washington State will take almost 6 hours. We're officially traveling from the East Coast all the way to the West Coast, specifically the beautiful Pacific Northwest. Mag-iba rin ang time zone natin because Washington is 3 hours behind Virginia. So parang makakadagdag tayo ng 3 hours sa day natin. Virginia, thank you for the wonderful 2 years. And now, Washington State, or the Evergreen State, here we come. Touchdown, Washington State! Thank you, Lord, for the safe flight. Andito na tayo sa Seattle-Tacoma International Airport, also known as Sea Airport. Very organized siya, malinis, and I must say, malaki rin talaga. It has 1 main terminal, 4 concourses, and 2 satellite terminals na connected by an underground train. So make sure to check your gate dahil possible na kailangan pa kayong sumakay ng train. Seattle is known as the Emerald City because of its beautiful green surroundings. It is also the biggest city in Washington State and one of the major gateways connecting the Pacific Northwest to different international destinations. And of course, kinilig talaga ako nang makita ko ang Philippine Airlines dito. May direct, non-stop flight na kasi between Seattle and Manila. Kaya isa talaga to sa biggest reasons why we chose to move here. Based on the current schedule, the non-stop flight from Seattle to Manila is around 13 hours and 15 minutes, while the flight from Manila back to Seattle is approximately 12 hours and 30 minutes. syempre pwede pa rin itong mabago depending on the schedule, weather, and wind conditions. Imagine, no more connecting flights and long layovers just to go home. Mas convenient na for us, especially kapag kailangan naming makauwi agad to be with our family.
Grabe, another state, another new beginning.
It's already 7:30 in the evening here in Washington State. Since tomorrow pa ang official move-in namin sa apartment, we decided to book a hotel nearby para makapag-rest muna after a very long travel day. And of course, big shout out to our brave little traveler, Sunshine! Imagine, she has already traveled from Dubai to Florida, then to Richmond, Virginia, moved again to Northern Virginia, and now she's here with us in Washington State. Sobrang confused na siguro siya kung saan na naman kami, especially with all the new places, different smells, airports, and hotel rooms. But despite everything, she continues to adjust and survive every journey with us. Our brave baby cat has officially conquered another state. Thank you, Sunshine, for being such a good and patient traveler. Wherever life takes us, kasama ka namin in every new chapter. And here we are, finally moving into our new apartment. A little story behind this location. We chose this apartment because it is very close to AJ's workplace. Siya kasi yung unang nakatanggap ng job offer, and our original plan was for me to look for a job once we arrive here in Washington State. But luckily, my opening din, I applied and I also received an offer. From our apartment to my workplace, the drive will take less than 30 minutes. So very convenient pa rin for both of us. For now, passenger princess pa rin ako. I haven't driven for almost a year because I was blessed to have colleagues who live in the same apartment complex back in Virginia. So shout out to Eric and Ate Arn for always driving me and helping me get to work. But this time, I might finally be forced to buy my own car and start driving again. Honestly, sobrang scared ako, but it is what it is. Kailangan ko na talagang harapin, and I know I can do this. And this is our new apartment here in downtown. It feels very modern and luxurious, and one of the best things about the location is that it is close to almost everything. Walmart, Costco, Asian grocery stores, restaurants, even City Hall. So very convenient ang area. But of course, we will still be careful. We will avoid walking around too late at night and stay home na lang. Safe, cozy, and peaceful. New apartment, new workplace, and soon, a new driver era. Let's do this! We are starting this new chapter by buying the basic necessities for our apartment. Since wala pa yung car namin, Uber muna kami everywhere. 2 more days pa daw before our car gets delivered. So for now, commute and book muna whenever we need to go somewhere. We went to Walmart, Costco, and Safeway since these are some of the nearest stores to our new home. Unti-unti, we're buying everything we need and slowly turning this empty apartment into our own space. Honestly, mahirap magsimula ulit, especially in a new state where everything feels unfamiliar. New place, new job, new routine, and another adjustment all over again. Sometimes, mapapaisip ka talaga kung tama ba yung desisyon mo or kung kakayanin mo ba. But I think that's also the beauty of taking risk. You may feel scared and uncertain at first, but it also gives you the chance to grow, learn, and discover what you're capable of. Hindi naman kailangan na alam mo agad ang lahat. You just have to take it one day and one step at a time. We've started over before and we survived. So I know we can do it again. Every struggle, every adjustment, and every small progress will eventually become part of the story we'll be proud to look back on someday. This may be another difficult beginning, but hopefully it will also lead us to something better. New state, new challenges, and a new opportunity to build the life we've been praying for. We also look for a Catholic church near our new home. Back in Northern Virginia, weekenders kami kaya bihira kami makapag-mass after work. So hopefully this time makapagsimba na kami more regularly and make more time for our faith. As we slowly make our apartment feel like home again, we finally got to meet our balcony's famous neighbor, the Mount Rainier. So Mount Rainier is an active volcano and the highest mountain in Washington State. Sobrang ganda niyang makita from our own balcony, especially on a clear day. So next vlog, I'll give you a full tour of our new apartment. Take note, most apartments here don't have a built-in AC because Washington usually has a cooler climate. So another big adjustment for us. And that's it for today's vlog. New state, new home, and another chapter to build. Thank you for joining us on this journey. See you on the next vlog.